Student, today we are going to continue our previous chapter from civics, and your first chapter is the Constitution of India. We have already learned about the what is constitution, what is the value of constitution, and what are the features of the constitution. In previous class we have learned that the laws and dissent, okay, and we want to clarify the dissent this from this two story in your previous classes. Today we want to also clear the dissent that this story, that the Dandi March of Mahatma Gandhi. All of you listen that the this word Dandi March. Already listen that the let us know that the what is the Dandi March. Okay. Salt Satyagraha was another important protest led by Gandhi against the British imposition of tax on salt. It means British government imposed the tax for making salt. That time Mahatma Gandhi was protest to this, and that's why Mahatma Gandhi and 78 of his followers walked from Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad, to the seaside village of Dandi. And the Dandi means the village name Dandi. Okay, covering a distance of 390 km. It means the distance between the Dandi and the Sabarmati is the 390 km. And Gandhiji and his 78 followers came to the village of Dandi. The march ended. It means that the Gandhiji and the followers were march ended on 5th April 1930. Here Gandhiji broke the salt law by making salt from sea water. And Gandhiji, what he did and his follower that the broke the law of making salt from the sea water. We have learned that this story also that the dissent means dissatisfied, not satisfaction of some laws. Okay. Today your chapter the Constitution of India is completed. Okay. Now let us go to the some important word from this chapter. Get the word means from important this word from this chapter. Yeah, and your first word is preamble. What is preamble? Do you know the preamble? Already you have learned in previous classes. And today I will also explain these words you have already learned. The first word preamble. Preamble is an introduction to the Constitution which contain the fundamental value, philosophy, aims and objective on which our Constitution is based. The preamble to our Constitution serves two purposes. What is the purpose? Two purpose that it indicates the sources from which the Constitution gets its authority. And the second purpose is it also states the objects which the Constitution seek to establish and promote. Okay, got it? And your second point and your second word is amendment. What is amendment? The government frames law for the benefit of the citizens. Since independence, many social values and norms in our country have changed. As a result, sometimes law framed earlier may seem outdated and there is a need to amend from this suitable law with the changing times. Okay. changing times we need to the suitable law. Okay, and the republic. What is republic? Republic means a political order whose head of the state is generally a president. India is also a republic country. And your last word is secularism. And what is the meaning of secularism? Secularism means that the state does not declare any religion as the state religion. It neither favor nor discriminate on the basis of a particular religion, whether Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, any reason, that the country does not favor this any reason now or any discrimination. Okay, the constitution states that India is a secular country which does not have an official religion. Okay, now we will learn the main topic. It means brush up. Brush up we are this topic. Okay, and the first point is the constitution is a written document and is the source of all laws. Okay, and the second point is India is a sovereign, secular and democratic republic. And the third point is that the Indian constitution defines the rights and duties of the citizens and the powers and function of the government. And the last point is sometimes dissent can lead to violence. And is the 4 point we have learned that about the chapter. And now come to your homework. And what is your homework? Why is our constitution called a living document? You have to write only 3 or 4 lines, not so lengthy. Okay, thank you.